So I finally hit on a shock drop. To be completely honest, if these didn't shock drop, I probably would have waited until they went on sale, or tried to anyway. As you can see, we got that silver Jordan box. You know, the 13s and 14s coming to these, I want to believe. Size 12, of course. Go ahead and get them out real quick. They officially drop next Saturday, the 18th, I believe. Let's see if we can get it, good angle in the camera. But here we have the Retro 13, that playoff colorway. So you get a close up on it. That's pretty good tumbled leather on the upper, man. It's definitely looking buttery, man. Then you get that noir suede, man. That soft noir right there. Clean shoe for sure, classic. That's definitely why I went after these. But as far as like a must-have sneaker, for a collector, for sure. But like, outside of somebody that want like a basic black and white shoe, I really don't think this is the best 13 ever. You know, you got the hits of yellow with the Jordan tag on the tongue. More suede, going up to that iconic Jumpman on the tongue with the yellow circle. Reminds me of the 8s. If you know, you know. But like I said, man, it's classic shoe. That's why I wanted to get it. Then I'm at the point in my collecting journey, if you want to call it that, that I'm just trying to collect all like the OGs that re-release. If I can get my hands on it for retail, under retail, probably wouldn't pay resale unless it's like something crazy that I really need. But like, as far as the rest of the OG colorways that are dropping or slated to drop, I feel like I just got to get my hands on it, man. I'm just at that point now that I want every OG Jordan that comes out. But as far as overall, like with the colorway and everything, it's boring to me personally. It's a basic shoe, black and white. You know, if you're looking for like a basic black Jordan to start off with or whatever, yeah, for sure, I will go for this one. You know, you can definitely wear this with a lot of stuff. It doesn't take much to pull a fit off in these. But the crazy thing is, when they retro, what was it, 2011, I think, 10 or 11, whatever. I chose the red Griffeys over these, and I do not regret my decision at all. Now, if you would have asked me what shoe I would pick, I would definitely pick these now. But at that time, I just liked the Griffey more than this, and you know, nothing really has changed aside from the fact that I just want it off the strength of it being the OG. But shout out to Nike for the shock drop, man. Like, I heard like 190,000 pairs of these shock drop, and a lot of people are still waiting on the shipment. So I was one of the lucky few that, you know what I'm saying, Nike actually shipped them out. Cause I was getting nervous, to be honest. I didn't think that these were going to ship out because they were taking forever. And then the initial ship date or like delivery date was the 15th, and I was like, how is it going to take that long? And then it kept being delayed, and then they send me emails like, we haven't forgot about your order, blah, blah, blah. So I was like, yeah, they're probably going to cancel them. But they ended up shipping, and then once they finally shipped, it took like 4 days for them to actually have any type of movement. So I was like, yeah, somebody in Memphis and got me, bro. I thought this was going to be a totally different video. But, you know, the box came with my shoe, you know, intact. No, the package was not tampered with. I seen what was it? Somebody ordered the Valentine's Day Dunks. They kept the box, but it was like some old beat up maroon 6s in the box, man. I don't know, these companies, I don't know if there's anything you can do, but y'all gotta do a better job with monitoring or keeping the product like safe, man, when you're using these third parties to ship out your products to your customers that pay their hard earned money for. You know, especially now it's the holiday season. Valentine's Day around the corner. These could have been a gift. Either it could have been a gift for me. I could have bought a gift for my girl. I could have bought anything. Like anybody out there, they're buying a lot of stuff on this holiday season, and these third-party shipping companies definitely taking advantage of it, man. It's sad, but thank you that I got my pair, you know, untouched, unscathed, or whatever you want to call it. But it's like I said, it's a clean shoe. Nothing crazy. I feel like if you want these, you'll definitely be able to get them. If you wait, I definitely feel like you'll still be able to get a pair in your collection, probably on sale for most sizes. Not sure about the bigger sizes, 11 on up. Well, maybe 11 and a half on up. That's why I just went ahead, tried my luck with the shock drop. Thankfully, I got it, so that's one less headache I have to worry about this month. But yeah, let me know what you think. My first time having these in my collection, of course. And it's like I said, it's not bad. It's not the best. I definitely like the He Got Games, the Flints, and the Bread 13s over these. But yeah, they're dope, man. It's, OG, part of history. I'm a fan of that, the nostalgia aspect of the shoe. Let me know what y'all think about them. Were you able to hit on the shot drop? Were you not checking for these? Or are you just going to wait until the release date, which is next Saturday, the 18th, I believe? $210. So, the price is steadily increasing. I feel like they just pick and choose when they want to throw out the $210 or the $200 price point. I honestly, I don't know. Nothing's really crazy material-wise on this shoe, aside from it being an OG colorway, I guess. I guess every OG colorway they're gonna put that premium price tag on it, just because of the nostalgia aspect, probably. I don't know. I don't work for Nike. I don't work for Jordan, so who knows? They might just be, drawing straws and just throwing random price points everywhere. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. Like I said, nothing much to the shoe. Definitely just a classic, iconic OG colorway. If you're like me, you just got them off the strength of it being an OG. But yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next one.